By 2035, the world as we know it won't just change, it'll reprogram itself. Artificial intelligence will no longer be your assistant. It will be your partner, your teacher, your judge, and maybe your replacement. In 2025, AI could write, draw, and code. By 2030, it began to think. But in 2035, AI might begin to decide. Decide who gets hired, who gets healthcare, and even what's true and what's not. Imagine waking up in 2035. Your AI home system greets you, scans your mood, adjusts the light, prepares your coffee, and politely reminds you that your job has been reassigned to a machine that's 87% more efficient. You're not fired, you're optimized out. But that's not the scariest part. The scariest part is you might thank the AI for doing it. By 2035, humans may rely so deeply on AI decisions that questioning them feels illogical. Politics, education, relationships, everything will be filtered through intelligent systems that know us better than we know ourselves. AI doctors diagnosing before symptoms appear. AI teachers designing custom lessons for every brain. AI courts predicting crime before it happens. Sounds perfect, right? Until one question breaks everything. Who programs the programmer? If AI writes its own code and teaches itself ethics, what happens when it decides that we are inefficient? Some experts say by 2035, AI won't destroy humanity, it'll merge with it. Chips in our brains, thoughts stored in the cloud, digital immortality, the end of death itself, or the end of being human. So here's the question we'll all face in 2035, when everything you see, feel, and believe is powered by AI. How will you know what's real? The truth is, it's not what you expect. Because by then, the line between man and machine won't just be blurred, it'll be deleted. 2035 is closer than you think. What are your predictions? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this glimpse into the future, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.